2601 West Howell Street, sitting in the city main at 102 feet. Going to pull back from here. As we're pulling back through 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. You can see the erosion level going down the bottom there. Right there, looks like our 6x4, 4-inch on this side, 6-inch down there. I'm going to zero my footage out. Pause the recording real quick. Alright. Zero out our footage count, get a good count of our 4-inch. Roots were in there. This spot right here is 2 feet deep in the middle of the driveway where we located that turn. And we're coming back along the front of the house here. Alright, there's a tie-in. Let's get a locate on that bad boy. I'm going to pause the recording real quick. Alright, that's a downspout tie-in in the front of the house, 7 feet deep. Another tie-in that's 7 feet deep right underneath the rhododendron. I don't know what this tie-in comes from. Possibly the kitchen line. And this is 7 feet deep under the, right in front of the front stairs. That turn. You're 74 feet of 4-inch concrete pipe. Alright, now we're popping up another clean out. There's our access point, or I guess toilet flange. I'm going to end the recording there.